Caribbean. We have a Jamaican invasion.
They might enter the airspace that borders the Atlantic and the Caribbean Sea. Demon look alive. They might test with defenses. This is the reptilians' battle strategy. They might hold back the big gun. Ja.
I keep having flashback of the day they took her. Them again. They're making another attack. And President Ibrahim Traore is right in the line of their fire. They're going to need my help. In times of need, you call on Jamaican.
Supreme of all that is. I have a fleet of galactic forces invading Jamaica on the planet Key. Surrender, and I will be merciful.
Your galactic forces are no threat to me, oh boy. I have the power 10 times greater than the sun. Yeah! Tell the High Supreme you just got deported. Sire, our entire fleet have been annihilated by this one Keon. He calls himself Jamaican.
In the heart of the island, there's a hero so bright. With the strength of the sun, he's prepared for the fight. Jamaican's his name, he rises with pride. Defending the weak, he'll never hide. With a smile on his face, he brings hope to despair. He's the strength of the people, he's always there. Jamaican old hero, shining so bright. Turning darkness to dawn, bring love to the fight. He's here to save the world, we follow his lead. In unity we rise, it's hope that we need.
Jamaican and Humming Girl, don't run in pan them yet. But just reach out to Al-Kabalan and they already structured their defense.
Who'll have thought the Guardian, the black, green and gold just destroyed over 30 of our visitors' crafts and took off. Not true him gone, but him gone though.
Yeah, no! Bounty Price, me can't see nothing from your direction. I hope you're up there working on the cameras for visual support and not just listening to reggae music.
Come on.
Hey Guardian, relax yourself. Firstly, reggae music on a something where you listen, you have to feel it, you hear me? I am currently working on the cameras as we speak, so don't worry your little head, man. Just take in some music from the loudspeaker and relax. I soon give you visual.
Everybody down here saw pull them weight.
I want to
and you
discuss.
this a half party. Them thing I can't deal with when it come on to you in a Bounty Price. There's a pending threat in the east. I hope when the heat turn up you're ready.
We'll say ready. Now I'm ready.
Brethren, me still can't see you.
What's wrong with the man? Why do I beat up the little girls and women? Their hands meant to hold and caress, instead wield violence, causing distress. Their words, once soft and kind, now laced with venom, leaving scars behind. Why do they hurt? Why do they harm? Is it power control or a twisted charm? The pain they inflict, it echoes through time. A cycle of hurt, a wound that's hard to redefine. We cry out for justice, for an end to the pain, for the safety of our daughters, sisters and mothers in vain. Let's rise up, let's break the chains. Let's stand together, let's end the pain. Respect, kindness and love let's reclaim. For the women and girls, let's restore their dignity and name. What's wrong with the man? Let's work together, hand in hand. Release Jamaica from this negative ban. This poem aims to raise awareness about violence against women and girls.
Hey, stop what you're doing, brother.
Would you want someone to do that to your sister, your daughter or mother?
Leave our women alone, or to me you will answer. I am watching. I am everywhere, your closest friend, your father, your brother.
The judgment is in our eyes. We won't stand while our women and children are being unalive.
What's wrong with the man them? The sick one them, them a cause big problem. What's wrong with the man them? The sick one them, them a kill off woman them. What's wrong with the man them? The sick one them a river to eat them. What's wrong with the man them? The sick one them, tell them we can't stand them. We have our eyes on you, yeah. We know what you're doing. We have our eyes on you, yeah. We know what you're up to, yo. What's wrong with the man them? Sick one them, them a Jamaican them. What's wrong with the man them? No! I can't bother star them, you can need therapy. Why man no love a man? I love you ladies.
I will find you.
Where am I? What do you want from me? Hello? Let me out of here. Let me out. Hello? Where am I?
Why on the racket? What's up, darling? Want to pee?
Who are you?
I am darkness in living form.
Condoleezza? I have heard of you.
All bad, I hope. I have a reputation to uphold, you know. You see, me know you're never idiot after all.
If you no release me this instant, Jamaican will be coming. And he will be coming for you. You can count on that.
Jamaican? Jamaican is coming for me? You know what you just said? Look for me good. Me look like me afraid of your Jamaican boyfriend. Oh! Careful now. Don't want to put any scratches on you. Not just yet.
And what the hell you want from me? Let me go now.
Oh, I just want you to be patient. Your usefulness will soon present itself.